Welcome to another video. Hope you all are doing good. If you feel the recipes which I'm going to show you will be helpful to any of your friends or families, please be kind enough to share it with them. We can prepare homemade Nutella without adding any preservatives. We used to buy from shops, but it's been a long time we stopped buying from shops and preparing at home itself. These are the simple ingredients required to make the Nutella. Kids will love having it along with bread or banana or with any other fruit. Let's see how I am preparing it. First, I am grinding the roasted hazelnut in a grinder. We don't have to add anything along with this roasted hazelnut. Just grind it alone, and we can see that these roasted hazelnuts will become into a little watery or liquid or in an oily form. I have taken 2¼ cups of roasted hazelnuts. See, I have grinded it well and we got a smooth paste. As you have seen, I didn't add any oil or liquid into it. Now I'm adding sugar into this paste. I have taken 1 and 3/4 cups of sugar into this paste. I have taken the powdered sugar. Why we are taking powdered sugar? Because if the sugar is not powdered, we get minute sugar crystals in our Nutella, but we don't need that. We need a smooth paste. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence into this. Cocoa powder 1 cup. See, this is the result of grinding everything together. So our Nutella is ready. We just need to transfer it to a bottle. So this is really easy and no preservatives at all. Kids will love it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never